Greetings and hello. In this video today, what I want to do is show you how to create an Instagram story. Now, in this video, I'm not going to go into all of the details of creating an Instagram story and all of the different nifty tricks that you can do, such as create polls, such as use hashtags or use the @mention so that you can reach out to other people on Instagram. I'm just going to basically show you simply how to create a story because a lot of people want to know how you do that. So basically what you want to do is go to your particular home page, right? Once you get to your profile, as you can see here, this is my profile. You can either create a new story by clicking on this button right here or creating a new post and then highlighting it as a story, or what you can do is click on an existing post, and if you want to make it your story, you just click on this little arrow right here, and the arrow is almost like it looks like an airplane. Then you want to click on add to your story, and then this is what's going to come up, and you can write in script if you want to write something here, and you can change the font of it. And there are a lot of things you can do, but this is the basics of adding a story. I'm going to cut another video to show you all the different tricks and tips that you can use when you add a story. But when you're ready, all you have to do is click on this little button right here where it says your story, and it'll add it to your story. Or you can send it to other people, and you can forward your story to others that are following you on Instagram. But if you're not ready to add this to your story on Instagram, then all you have to do is click on this little X button right here and then click cancel, and it'll take you right back to where you started. But as you can see, it's really simple to add an existing post to your story by simply clicking on that little airplane. It looks like an airplane, and I'm sorry that it's blurry, but I think that you can see this just enough for you to understand and get the gist of how to add a story to your Instagram. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.